Okay, I received some padlocks from Joshua in Arizona. These two padlocks here are Abus Series 2 8345, 45 millimeter, I believe. Do not have keys for these locks. They're both pinned with 6 pins. Have a 7-pin best lock. This one does work. And also he sent me a collectible padlock, a Ilco or Alco, ever how it's pronounced. Genuine pin tumbler. It's USN, I guess that stands for United States Navy. This lock does work, which I really appreciate that he sent these locks to me. I do need some keys for these 8345s. If anyone has any available, let me know. I really need about 4 or 5 of these keys. And also I need some keys for a couple of 6550 Abus locks. Let's open one of these 8345 series 2 locks, and let's gut it and see what kind of pins are in this Abus. Put this in the vise. Move these to the side. We're going to use top of the keyway. And this pick, we're going to start at the front of the lock. See if I can get in here. It's a tight keyway. Okay, a little bit on pin 1. Pin 3, pin 4, pin 6. Let's go back to the front again. Okay, we got a little false set on pin 1. Okay, pin 2 is giving us a little feedback. Okay, got it set. Got a little more false set out of pin 3. Start at the front again. Okay, getting a little feedback on pin 3, I believe. Maybe pin 4. Okay, I believe it was pin 4. A little bit more of a false set out of pin 5, but then we still getting some feedback on pin 5. Okay, there it is, open. Okay, let's gut it and look at the pins inside this lock. Let's see, I know we need a Phillips screw out of this lock. Okay, we sure don't want to lock it back since we do not have a key. Okay, see if I can get this clip off. Alright, come on, clip. Okay, got the clip off. Let's make sure everything is still in order. Alright, I know we've got to depress this pin. Slide this forward a little bit. Okay. Alright, let's check our pins. Pin 1 is standard. Pin 2 is a standard pin. Pin 3 standard. Pin 4 is standard. Pin 5 is standard. And pin 6 is standard. And it's just got a plain normal plug. Looks like it's flat on top. I don't see anything weird about the plug. Okay, let's check our top pins. Okay, I'm going to call that really a standard pin, even though it's got a little groove cut around the top and bottom. Okay, that's a spool. It's another spool. Okay, and a third spool. And a fourth spool. And a fifth spool. Okay, so we have 5 spool pins and one slightly serrated standard type pin in number 1. Okay, that's what we have in this Abus 8345 Series 2 padlock 6-pin. Okay, appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. Thank you very much, and I appreciate Joshua for sending these locks again. Thank you, Joshua.